Welcome to Wide Open School, a learning hub for families and teachers to find free and high quality learning resources curated by the editors of Common Sense to help make distance learning more effective and engaging. Wide Open School is divided into 3 sections: student activities, family and teacher center, and recursos en español. In this video, I will walk you through each section, but first, let's take a look at the homepage. We have redesigned our homepage to bubble up all of the great content across the site. For back to school, you see the Family and Teacher Center. This will be a rotating section where you will find updated content and timely new resources. You will see that there are these yellow filters just below, which are filtered by preschool, K2, 3-5, 6-8, and 9-12. If you click on any of these, it will filter the content below accordingly. First, you will see highlights from the daily plan. Then, highlights from events and videos, followed by highlights of our activity libraries, highlights from the Family and Teacher Center, and then a brief description about us and the links to our partners and supporters. You can click on any of these items to jump in, but let's go back up to the top of the page and see what is behind each of these main navigation sections, starting with student activities. At the top, you will find featured the daily plan. Below that, you can see a range of libraries by subject, from math to arts, as well as our new offline library. Inside each of these subject libraries, you will find lots to explore. So let's jump into the daily plan and see what we have going on there. Every day, you can find a new curated list by grade band of select learning experiences. The date is listed here, and you can go to the next day by simply using this calendar widget. Daily plans will be populated 2 weeks out, and the past daily plans are also accessible. Each daily plan starts off with a math, reading and writing, and emotional well-being experience. There is always at least one offline activity included. Additionally, there are featured experiences from science, social studies, digital citizenship, arts, music, DIY, life skills, Get Moving, which is our gym and dance library experience, and virtual field trips. At the bottom of the daily plan is a daily and weekly planner, which is printable worksheets and a reflective capture. Let's click into one of these libraries. Since we have already selected the 3-5 grade band, that is what we are still in when we travel around the site. If you want to switch to grade bands, use the yellow pills at the top, and the content below will change. Or you can click for teachers to see student activity resources that are specifically aimed at teachers to aid in that lesson planning. Each library features a spotlight activity that we want to highlight. Each library can be sorted by resource type, such as activity, article or ebook, games, videos, or worksheets. Let's take a look at the Family Teacher Center. This is where you're going to find content geared towards adults. We have the back to school guide for families and one for teachers, as well as resources and learning and thinking differences, equity and social justice, internet access and devices, and other family services. If you click into one of these libraries, you will again find a spotlight feature, most likely an event featuring expert speakers or a new content resource selected from Common Sense editors to support distance learning. These libraries are not sorted by medium like the others, rather you sort by theme. Finally, let's take a look inside the Spanish library. Here you will find resources that are geared towards Spanish-speaking families, particularly with young children. There's the same spotlight, and again, can use the yellow pills to filter the different themes. We hope this video has been helpful and that Wide Open School continues to be a go-to resource for families and teachers as we all become more comfortable with distance learning.